What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja and I'm here with another GetResponse tutorial. Thanks for joining in, and I hope this lesson tutorial is going to be helpful to you. The last video we actually focused on how to create lists. Today we're going to look on creating landing pages. Now before we go into landing pages, we're just going to recap what we did in the previous video. So creating lists, you could simply just go to the top of the page, click lists. Let's just do this real quick, right? To the right you'll see create list, and remember we said it had to be lowercase and contain dashes or underscore, right? So we're just going to create a list and we're going to name it test. Okay, we'll see if it's available. Okay, that's already taken, so let's call it test. That's already taken. Seems other people have the same line of thinking that I do. That's also taken. Let's try this then. Test. Great. So we've successfully created the list test, and that's all there is to it. Just create, just enter a name that has lowercase letters, underscore or dashes included, and that's really it. Okay, so we're now going to talk about how to create landing pages. Now let's go back to our home screen. To create a landing page, what you would do is you could look to your left, you'll see quick actions right here. You could just click landing page, or if you looked up top, you would see create. You click on that, that shows you a drop down menu. On your left here it says create landing page. Easy peasy. GetResponse is the easiest autoresponder I've ever seen. No joke. Okay? So GetResponse has done for you landing pages. These landing pages range from lead generation, they range to online marketing, entrepreneurship, online marketing again. There's integrated legal service. You see a gavel right here, legal stuff. There's fat burning stuff, personal brand webinar. There's your non-profit stuff here. There's so many landing pages. There's food, there's travel, real estate, you name it. There's a pre-built landing page that you can literally just plug and play with. But for the sake of this video, we're going to start from scratch because you need to know how things work, right? So build from scratch, show templates. Now even though it says from scratch, there's still some things that you have laid out for you. All you need to do is change your coloring, change your wording, insert pictures, videos, stuff like that. Just to pause here real quick, if you're liking the video and if it adds value to what you're doing, just hit the like button and share it with a friend, maybe someone that you know could use this video. Okay? Subscribe because videos come out very regularly. Alright, so we'll work with the simplest one that they have, which is this first one here. We'll just try that one. Let's say we run a marketing company. Let's call it Market X. And it shows you a preview of what the landing page will look like, and it shows you a preview of what the thank you page will look like. Alright, next step. So it's loading. Right? By the way, I hope you guys are staying safe during this COVID-19 period, and thanks for stopping by the channel in spite of all of that. Great, so just about now the page will pop up. And when that does happen, you will notice that it is really simple. And I wanted to stress how simple it is because a lot of people think that you have to have a lot of fancy things to make a landing page work. No, you don't. If you had let's say a lead magnet or bait to pull people in, say a video, and in that video, like a YouTube video for example, and then you had a link below the video, that video would have sold them on what you're doing, and all you need to do is close the sale. put something grabbing, captivating here. So let's say MarketX is an international company that gets you leads. You could say, we guarantee your satisfaction or your money back in full. Okay? Here you can have a call to action. So you could say, to learn more about our wonderful packages and how we can scale your business, enter your information below. Something like that. Doesn't have to be the exact thing, but something along those lines that prompts them to enter their information. Okay? Now let me show you around real quick. So you can put your company logo here if you want. We don't have one, but you can. You simply put replace. You could even probably put a GIF, I think. I'm not sure, I've never tried that, but you can put videos. But if you have a logo, you can drop that there. We don't need that, so we're going to delete that. You can change your image here. To do so, you click that icon. You can browse around for images. Let's say we use that one. Let me show you something real quick. If I were to crop this box, if you notice the size of the image changes, but the image is cropped out. To change or to move the box itself with those squares highlighted, you would click this icon, and what you'll notice is that the box is now able to move without moving the picture. If I now click back on this icon, what happens is I can now move the box and then the picture will expand and move with it. So if I were to grab the box and move the box upward, the image moves also. Easy peasy. Drag and drop. You don't need to know programming. You don't need to be some high-level tech wizard. You just get GetResponse and drag and drop. Drag and drop your way to success. It's like cheating in an exam almost, but better. Great. So let's show you this little tool icon on the right. This icon allows you to include, oops, you can include boxes. You could literally include a shopping feature. So if you wanted to sell products straight from your landing page or your website landing page, you could do so. You could import products to this page and sell directly from your page. You could set up a store right there. That is cool, if you ask me. You could include text blocks. You could drag and drop a text block in if you wanted to add wording, stuff like that. Picture box, drag and drop. You could include a button. Forms, shapes. You could include a webinar, right? You could include a timer. A lot of people see timers counting down and it causes some urgency, and it but it pushes them to take action. You could include videos. You could include calls to action for social media. You have buy now buttons installed, and you can actually include HTML coding, right? GetResponse has it. Easy peasy, drag and drop. Now in this case we're not offering anything to download, so you could say something like click to learn more. Let me highlight that, change the sizing. Let me just check something real quick. Awesome. Alright, so one thing you'll notice is that this is the desktop view. You can actually create a mobile version of this. Once you click that little phone, what it's going to ask you is if you want to create a mobile version. You click OK, let's go mobile. Yeah. And what you'll see is there is a mobile version that's pretty much the shape of your phone. Now what you'll notice is a lot of times when you make changes to one in GetResponse, that change will be highlighted on the cell phone view, as is highlighted by this little warning here. If I were to click the mobile view again, you'll see that the photo moved, right? You want it so when you change one, it doesn't affect the other. What you can do is go here, click the shady region, one sec. Alright guys, so what I was saying was that when you move one thing in one view, it also modifies what's happening in the second view. Okay, so to stop that from happening, what you can do is click on this little shaded area, hit Ctrl O or Command O for Mac users. Oops, it's not happening. Oh, satisfaction. Satisfaction. Alright, so you'll go to the mobile view, click the shaded area, hit Ctrl O. It asks you if you want to optimize the layout. Yes, do it. Okay, and what should happen is this stays here, this doesn't, so you can actually move stuff around without it affecting the mobile view, or it shouldn't. Stuff moved. Move this down. Whoops. Let's get this. Move this down here. Put this back up here. And we're solid. Okay. Let's try this again. Control O. Optimize. Yes, do it. And boom. There you have it. So, let's just move this around real quick. So, as you can see, it's so easy to just drag and drop. It's not hard. Drag it and drop it. Right? Centered. So it has these little helpers here where if you're trying to center the thing, you see the lines come up, so that's the center line. You can let it go and it's centered, dead center. Cool. So what happens next is, right, so if you wanted to, you could actually create a variant of this particular page. So you could create multiple variants, and the point of this is to see which one converts well, which one converts best, so that you can either kill the rest, run that one, or you can select your top two and see if you can generate a lot more leads and traffic to those landing pages. So you can actually make modifications to things like the color, you can change font, you could include videos, text, all that stuff. You can go here, change the font color, right? You could do anything to see what works, what doesn't work, what's working the best, so you can optimize. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to stick with one landing page, no variants, and we're going to head over to our thank you page. Now on our thank you page, it's a similar setup. You still have your toolbar over here on your right. On both pages you have a preview, so if you click that, you can see what the page will look like before you launch it. However, you can't make it active. It's not an active page. If you click anything, it's not going to work. It's not going to take you to any other pages. You need to publish your landing page first for that to happen. Okay, so same as always, you can change your image. Just do something. Change your image, include video. You could say something like, congratulations, you are now eligible for our special bonus package, whatever that is. I don't know, I'm just thinking out of the box here. Right? Great. If you don't want something, bonus, NUS, eligible, gibble. Right? You could delete this. You could say something like click to continue. Change the font size. Can't get rid of the download link, download image, so let's just completely delete that. We could put another button there. Click to continue. Awesome. Let's just center this. And I mean, people are giving you their information. You could at least say thanks. Doesn't kill you. So thanks. Click to continue. And behind this button, you could add a link. And let's say we wanted to take this thing to Netflix, just for argument's sake, netflix.com. Okay, this is just for the training purpose of the video. Title, Market X. Right? Also, let's just get rid of the logo. And we're going to hit the next step. So the next step, oh, great. What I should have done there was edit the mobile version for the thank you page as well. So let's just do that real quick. Right, thank you page. Let's see the mobile version. It looks good. Awesome, great. We're all set. Next step. Alright, so the title page pops up. You could say this site allows people to get the tremendous amount of value for their marketing budget. Okay. The search engine index allows this thing to be hidden, so it prevents your page content from being listed in the Google Web Index. Alright. Now you can customize your URL, which is your pretty much your address out there on the web. So people would type in https :/ whatever you want to put in here. So let's say it's called Marketing X Wiz. You could do a subdomain. So you could say subscribemenow.com. So it would be marketingxwiz subscribemenow.com, marketingxwiz GetResponsePages.com. We'll just stick with the great gr8.com, and we'll head down and we're going to select a list, the list that we want all our leads to go to. So when someone enters their information, we need to select a list for all that information to be collected. So we'll just use the test list that we created earlier. Right? This option, the confirmed opt-in option, if someone enters their information or opts in, then what will happen is GetResponse will send a confirmation email to their inbox. This confirmation email allows them to select or click in agreement that yes, they did enter their email address from this particular website, and they're confirming. Then the name will be added to the list. If not, and you turn this off, then once they opt in initially, your name will automatically be added to the list without confirmation, and that's as easy as it goes. Now you can select which day the message or the name or information is added to your list. Why? When you create autoresponders, you actually select what day a particular message goes to a particular client. And if you want the messages to start from day 0, you can set up a day 0 message that goes out automatically to your contacts on that particular day. If you want to send messages starting at day 2, day 3, because you have specific messages set for those days, then you could easily just select that. But the option that you get stock standard is day 0, right? Now you can select what thank you page you want. If you've had a website that a thank you note is custom done for you, you could actually include that link below here. When you select custom, you could type that custom URL in. If not, you could stay with the stock one or the default one, or you could select stay on current page, so it doesn't go straight to the thank you page, just stays on the page, and then the page that you're advertising, that's the one that will open, so it will pop out in the next tab, pretty much is what we're saying. But we'll stick with the default link. You have analytics here. You have Google Analytics, Facebook Pixels, Bing ads, all those stuff that you can use for analytics. You have you have Google ad conversions, and so on and so on. And always you want to save. Now for the page to be visible, for that URL to work, right, this one, marketingxwiz.gr8.com, you need to publish. So select publish, and the website is now live, and you've created your first landing page. Let's test it. If I click this link, it pops up. We guarantee your satisfaction or your money back in full. Great. Let's put something in like Simon says. You snooze, you lose at gmail.com. Random gibberish. Click to learn more. Goes to your thank you page. The thank you page thanks you. You are now eligible for a special bonus package. Woo! Awesome! Then click to continue. What it does is it will take you to your page. Now, if you had that particular page all set up, your website, whatever, it will go to that page. In this case, we use Netflix because we know Netflix works. And there you have it. That's your first landing page, and everything works. Let's double check something real quick. Let's check our lists. So we said we had a list called test. Let's check what's inside. What have we caught? And we caught Simon Says. And you have now completed your first successful landing page. Oh my goodness, you are a baller. Nice. So what makes this landing page work? You. The next thing that makes it work is you need to get traffic to your landing page. If you have a website or landing page, no one is going to see it unless you send traffic to it. In a link below, there's an option for a free book. You just pay for shipping. There's a free book that teaches you all the marketing secrets, all the traffic secrets that you need to learn to get people in front of your landing page. You can't have a store without customers. You can't have any business without customers. You can't have a landing page without traffic. People wanting to see your product, people wanting what you have. So you need to drive traffic to your landing page. That link below will help you learn how to get traffic to your landing page. Also, in a link below is an option to try GetResponse free. I said free. Try it free for 30 days. So 2 links below. Click them. If you like what I shared today, hit the like button, smash the like button, blast that like button through your laptop. In fact, mess your laptop. No, don't do that. Just hit the like button and subscribe to more content, and share this video with a friend. People are at home now, not knowing what to do. They can start email marketing and pushing their website to people and retargeting.